Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you some more press-on nails that I've come up with. If you didn't see the other video of the press-ons that I did, the kids sets, please go check it out. This one is more of a bling set. The thumbs are both completely blinged out and there are some bling on each nails, and these are all white. The white that I used is the gel polish by Nail Couture 001. Links for the stones and the polish will both be in the description box below. Unfortunately, the footage of me actually adding the stones to these nails have been lost, so I'm sorry I don't have that to share with you guys, but hopefully you enjoyed that. This is my second set that I did, and these are the tips that have the marble look already made on them. They're already designed with that pretty marble look, and I used lots of beautiful stones to bring out that look. The ring fingers have a really cute Paris nail charm on each one. It's so pretty. And this is the last press-on set. These have little snowflakes, and the ring fingers have a snowflake nail charm on it. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoy these sets. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.